Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone and notification one-on panel. Just to remove the device ringtone, we should slide this blue dot to the left side with our finger. Also have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on this settings icon. You will see the same just volume panels, and now just to mute ringtone of the device by the same way, slide to the left side as blue dot and then confirm your action by click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.